Health worker and one person kpai of COVID-19 as pipo wey don kpai don reach 35 for Edo State. Edo State don record di death of anoda 2 pipo wey neva take di COVID-19 vaccine, and one of dem na 56-years-old health worker for Auchi General Hospital. Head of State COVID-19 Case Management, Dr. Ebonyi Osaige, na im tok dis one for di daily COVID-19 press briefing for Government House, Benin City. Im tok say for di last 24 hours, di state don collect 363 samples with total of 36 new cases of COVID-19 and 4 more recoveries, while in total, Edo State don get 925 confirmed cases, 35 deaths and 643 active cases since the third wave starts.
Over the past 24 hours, we collected a total of 363 samples, and we picked 36 new cases from UVTH, Lily, and Edo Specialist Hospital. There were 4 cases around the state. There were 14 cases around the state from RODT deployed, so we got a total of 36. There were 4 discharges. Those discharges were from Ira Specialist Hospital. We ever have 2 new deaths. Total confirmed cases now 925. As of this morning, the active cases we have is now 646.
Permanent Secretary of Edo State Ministry of Health, Dr. Osawunye Irowa, say na lie news dey outside say Edo State don get person wey die after im take di vaccine. Say di government wan save life of pipo and dem dey do everything to protect pipo and prevent deaths.
We have also heard of a lot of wrong information on net and everywhere going around, even stating that there are contaminated vaccines in Edo State. There is no proven known case of contaminated vaccine in Edo State. And also, they've also heard that people are saying that people took vaccines and died. There is no known case of somebody who took vaccine in Edo State that died. This is actually a sad news that people are trying to push into the public domain. We want to debunk this as the government and as the health sector of Edo State. None of these things happened.
Dis na di ogbonge informate 20MC News carry come give una. My name na Pentecost Ogorure from Benin.